You know what makes me happy? When great companies push their products to new levels and bring us new technology. That really makes me happy. And that's exactly what Yamaha has done in 2019. Complete transparency now, the original Wolverine was a good side-by-side, but it was a bit of a letdown because it really didn't bring us anything new, just the same power plant and features we'd seen in other models. For 2019 though, Yamaha brings us a truly all-new Wolverine X2. So what is an X2 and what makes it different from the previous Wolverine? Well, for starters, this vehicle addresses all the things we didn't like about the original Wolverine and adds most of the things we thought we were going to get with that model but didn't. I don't think it's going to come as any surprise to find out that this new Wolverine is packing Yamaha's 847cc parallel twin under the hood. This motor was released last year in the Wolverine X4, and it definitely is the motor we've been waiting for to replace the long-in-the-tooth 700 single. In the X4, this engine produces somewhere in the neighborhood of 69 horsepower, which is nothing to scoff at, and we expect it'll be producing very similar power in the X2, as the engine itself is essentially the same. It's got loads of bottom end and it pulls strong on top. It is speed limited though, and it could definitely go faster than it's currently being allowed to go. Connected to that parallel twin motor is an all-new Ultramatic Cvt system that Yamaha claims runs cooler and is more durable than the previous version, and it better be. The X2 is designed to be highly trailable and highly maneuverable. Compared to the old Wolverine, it's got a wheelbase that's just under 2 inches shorter and it's just over 1.5 inches narrower. It's just under 60 inches wide and it's designed to have a crazy tight turning radius. The R-Spec models come standard with KYB fully adjustable piggyback shocks. Total travel is around 9 inches front and rear, so by no means class leading, but when paired with those stellar shocks, the ride can be set up as plush or as firm as you need it to be.
As you walk around, you'll notice a lot of upgrades to the Wolverine X2. We've got a tilt steering wheel here, and we've also incorporated a sliding driver's side seat with a single handle lever. You'll notice we also have the higher doors. This keeps the mud and the terrain out of the cabin, keeps you dry and comfortable. The integrated sun top. This one again is a special edition, so you'll see the special stitching and the color match seats. One of the things we heard over and over again from customers when we were talking to them in the field was just the noise of the current vehicles is just too loud. So we focused really heavily on shielding the engine, putting a really big exhaust system on it so that it really stays quiet. See that we actually have a dumping cargo box on the new Wolverine X2. This is actually bigger, physical inside dimensions than the current Wolverine 708, which is nice. And of course, the dumping function adds to its overall versatility. You'll notice also the over fenders, both front and rear on the special edition model, and then the single lever tailgate. Very nice feature. Again, allows you to utilize that cargo bed and the maximum capability of it.
The cargo bed on the new Wolverine can carry up to 600 pounds, which is double what the old one can carry. And the vehicle can now tow up to 2,000 pounds, which is a 500-pound increase. The Wolverine X2 is an incredibly impressive new model for Yamaha, and it's got everything it needs to be a strong contender in its class. But for 2019, Yamaha is introducing another new piece of technology that's useful both inside and outside your vehicle.
The other very cool thing is we have the new Adventure Pro system. So we can track engine performance, we can track transmission position, the four-wheel drive system, the engine RPMs, the GPS system, the speed of the vehicle, and it actually allows you to post to the different social media sites out there.
The Adventure Pro is essentially an Android-based GPS-enabled tablet fully wired into your vehicle and can display all the vehicle data you could ever possibly need or imagine. But more than that, it's a fully functional GPS system with integrated mapping. It also features a full Android operating system, so it's a 100% functional tablet computer. It also has a built-in camera for capturing memories out on the trail. Yamaha's all-new 2019 Wolverine X2 is the model I think many of us have been waiting for from Yamaha, and while we only got a short opportunity to actually test it at the press intro, our initial impressions are excellent. Stay tuned to Dirt Trax TV this season for a full test ride on the Wolverine X2 and a more in-depth look at the Adventure Pro system from Yamaha. Thanks for watching this segment of Dirt Trax TV. For more great content, make sure you click the links or subscribe to our channel where we're always updating with new content every day throughout the week.